How to play against AI bots in Marvel Rivals. So first you just simply need to click on play. After that, go to the change mode right here. So there's an option to change the mode. So simply click on that. And instead of going to a custom game and adding bots, you could just basically go to practice versus AI where you could set the difficulty of the bots. So 1 star is the easiest and 3 stars is the hardest. So once you pick that, you can now simply click on start and wait for the game to start. And as you can see, the match has been found and just simply wait for it. Now, as you can see, it's the same process as any other game mode. So you just need to pick a hero or a character that you want. So let's say I want to use Captain America. So just click on confirm, wait for the game to start. So now, as you can see, it's like any other game mode. So you just simply need to play along with it. And that's basically it.